Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best curling irons that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Conair Instant Heat Curling Iron. Conair Instant Heat Curling is designed to create big soft waves. It is an excellent unit for all hair types with 25 heat settings that provide heat up to 400 F in nearly 30 seconds, thus increasing barrel temperature up to 36 F. Thus there is no wait time to use this curler. It has a patented Euro design with a non-slip grip handle. It also has an extra long cool tip along with an auto-off feature. The Conair Instant Heat Curler has a dual voltage switch for international travel. This curling iron also has an electronic touchpad control switch that turns this classic curling iron to one of modern designs. It creates a unique style for your hair. At number 4. Bedhead Curlipops Curling Wand. The Bedhead Curlipops curling wand uses tourmaline and ceramic technology on a barrel to reduce massive shine and frizz. It has a 1-inch barrel for curls. It uses high heat of up to 400 F and uses dual voltage. It comes with free heat protective gloves that provide worry-free hairstyling. It also has a tangle-free 6-feet swivel cord. The Bedhead Curlipops curling wand gives a bold look to your hair while making you the center of attention with proper mixing of loose curls and massive waves. The Bedhead curling iron creates hairstyles aiming at amplifying texture, pizzazz, and facial structure. It has a metallic packaging design coupled up with a vibrant product that ensures your hair is always shiny and bouncy. For more health equipment, see our guide on home laser for wrinkles. At number 3. Infiniti Pro Nano Tourmaline Curling Iron. The Infiniti Pro Nano Tourmaline Curling Iron provides you with stylish, silky, and well-defined curls using tourmaline technology. It reduces frizz for healthy and shiny hair. A bonus protective heat shield is present to ensure safety during use. It can produce up to 400 F heat that results in a prolonged lasting even temperature and eliminates hot spots and less damage. The Infiniti Pro Nano Tourmaline Curling Iron features high uniform heat recovery with 5 precision LED heat settings and an auto-off feature when producing maximum heat. The curler will light up when it turns 285 F. Infiniti Pro Curling Iron has a ceramic-coated barrel that gets heated up in a few seconds. At number 2. Remington Pearl Ceramic Conical Curling Wand. The Remington Pearl Curling Wand is around 1–1.5 inches wide. The conical barrel styles your hair with tousled waves. It is a unique pearl ceramic curling wand that causes minimal damage and provides fast results. It has a coating of ceramic for even heating with consistent heat. It also has a crushed pearl-infused barrel to produce smooth and lustrous waves. The Remington Pearl Curling Wand heats up to 410 F. The Remington Pearl Curling Wand is best to create gorgeous waves due to its ceramic coating. It is a digital-controlled curling iron with 10 heat settings that make it easy for you to select an appropriate temperature for your hair. It also has a temperature lock function to halt the curler at a specific temperature. See our guide on epilators for facial hairs for more beauty guides. At number 1. Beestope Upgrade Curling Iron. The Beestope curling iron has a 1.25-inch barrel to give you looping curls or defined and soft natural beach waves. This curling iron is perfect for medium to long hair. The spring clamp ensures that you can hold your hair firmly in place so that it gets even heat. It has ceramic tourmaline coating that makes your hair curler smoother, longer lasting, harder. This curling iron provides hair with even heating that causes less damage to the long-lasting shape of curls. The Beestope curling iron takes around 60 seconds to heat up to 430 F and thus provides 4 individual heating settings to set the temperature according to need. The Beestope curling iron also has a non-slip handle that provides a better grip with a 60 minutes auto shut-off for safe use. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.